Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talk about a hair product, that is hair serum. Hair serum from the brand Biolage Matrix. They have mentioned a 6-in-1 serum. Let's see how it works on my hair and some pros and cons of this serum. When it comes on hair serum, I never go for any brand cause I never trust on any brand, any new brands. Cause when I was in school, I usually used that Livon serum. I think you all know that Livon small bottle. I think that price is nearby 50. After that, I have upgraded to the same Livon brand. Livon Moroccan Spectrum serum. That serum is too good for my hair, so I continuously used that serum. After some days, that Moroccan serum is not available in the market. Nowadays, seriously, it's not available in the market. After that, when I was in college, I tried lots of serum. I used that L'Oreal for total damaging, that 5 total repair damaging serum, that is that one. This serum is the worst product of L'Oreal brand, and I tried 2 more serum of different brands, but I did not like any of them. So again, I started with my first serum, that is the Livon one. And nowadays I seen lots of reviews about this serum, so I thought let's give a try once if it is works on me or not. So finally at the April I bought this from the Nykaa. Let's talk about packaging. It comes in a transparent plastic bottle with a flip-flop cap that is very convenient to use, and this is a travel friendly also. In front side they have mentioned a brand name, that is a Biolage Matrix, and after that they have mentioned as Smooth Proof Avocado Deep Smoothing Serum, smoothness and controls frizzy hair, and net volume. In back side they have mentioned a lots of information, that is what they have included in this serum and benefits, how to use, packaging date, and price. Price is 300 for the 100 ml product. In the back side of the bottle they have mentioned the 6 benefits of this product. These are the 6 benefits. I'll tell you one by one it works or not. And now experience of mine. Seriously guys, when I used for the first time, honestly telling, I did not like this product. Completely I did not like this. So I thought this is a waste of money, so I kept aside. And I didn't touch for at least 1 or 2 months. Yeah. After I used for the first time, I didn't feel anything different on my hair. My frizzes doesn't control. But my brother regularly used this product. He totally liked this product of his first attempt. He is having a long hair up to his neck. He regularly used this product after his hair wash. He totally liked this product. He told me that his hair turns into very smooth, detangled, and frizz free. So after some month, I thought, let's give a try again. So this time I took quite more products on my palm. Usually I use only 3 to 4 drops for other serums. For this serum I used a little more, like 6 to 7 drops or 8 drops, and I apply it on my hair. This time I took a more product because this is thin in consistency and very non-sticky. So I thought if we apply a more product means it will give some result on my hair. After I applied like this, I too like this product. Now I am using the serum from the last 2 months. I also like this product. I think you can see this. We have finished this much of product, that is half of the bottle. So you can understand that how we like this and we are using continuously. And main thing is, this is not any sponsor video. This is my own experience about this product. Let's talk about consistency. Consistency is very thin and this is a non-sticky, very lightweight. It doesn't sticks on your hair, so this is very smooth and it gives an instant shine. Now come to these benefits point. They have mentioned in the back of the bottle and front also. Professional 6-in-1 works on my hair, and if your hair is too curly or too frizzy, I don't know if it is work on your hair or not. You have to give a try once, then only you can know if it is works on you or not. But my hair is little wavy and my hair is not too frizzy hair, so it works on my hair. First point is done, and second point what they have mentioned is protects hair from humidity. Yeah, this season is a monsoon season. I am using this serum regularly, so it works. And third point they have mentioned is smoothness rough-ends. Yeah, it keeps our rough and smooth and moist. You can see how bouncy my hair looks. Ting ting ting. You can see exact results of my hair. So this is a perfect smooth end of my hair after I use this serum. And next go to a fourth point. Fourth point is add instant shine. It adds an instant shine. Do you think this serum is only giving an instant shine? Actually, most of the serum giving an instant shine. Serum is made for that also. One is for detangle and another for shining. So this serum gives a shine. This is not a unique pros of this serum, cause all the serums gives a instant shine. This is doing the same job like all serum. Instant shine is a common in all serum. So that is the thing. And fifth point is it nourishes a dry hair. Yeah, we have to think twice in this point. For my hair, I always keep my hair nourishes. Did you did any coloring on your hair? I don't think so it will work on your hair or not. You have to give try once, because I don't tell that this is works on all hair, colored hair, very dry hair. So I don't think so it will work on you or not, cause my hair is already nourishes. I keeps my hair nourishes, but I don't think so this serum is only the point to nourish my hair. I already do lots of treatment on my hair. So you have to decide this point. If your hair is colored or your hair is too dry, you have to buy this serum or not. My opinion is don't buy this serum if you are having a colored hair. If you are having a coloring hair and this product keeps your hair nourishes, please tell me in a comment section so that other guys can see the comments and they can also buy this if it is working on a colored hair or not. I am not telling that it will working on your dry, extreme dry hair and colored hair. I am telling about my hair. I didn't colored my hair, so I am telling my experience only. So I think you can catch it. And next is final, that is 6th point, that is instant detangle. Seriously, it keeps detangle for a long time, at least for 12 hours. And if you are applying a little more, means you can kept like this with for 1 or 2 days. That is your choice. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, you like this review of this Biolarge Matrix. And again I'm telling, this is not a sponsor video, this is my own experience, so that you can see I have used this much of product. I think you understand what I'm trying to tell. So yeah guys, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up and tell me in a comment section and share to your friends. And yeah guys, I hope this video is gonna be useful for you. Tata, bye bye, take care. Let's meet you on another video. Bye.